So, and actually, we had an investor day on Monday with the company, and that was really an interesting. I think what makes us feel more comfortable about the U.S. is three things. First, they are moving from defensive to offensive. I think they are doing this at the right time. And three, the plan we saw, is very solid. So let me come back on those three things. So from defensive to offensive, as you just mentioned, Bud Light. Budweiser is declining. Actually, they are in a segment of the market that are declining. And in the past few years, ABI has been trying to protect their brands at the expense of growth in other segments. What they decided to do is, I think it's a very strong strategic move here, is they decided to invest more behind, faster growing categories that are also more profitable. Like super premium with Stella Artois and so on. So that's one. The second thing is the right time to do it. And I think what we should be comfortable with is that Michelob Ultra, that has been growing fast, about 15 to 20% over the last few years. It's a light beer, doesn't say it's a light beer, but it's a light beer, is now offsetting fully the decline of Bud Light. So, and it's sold at a premium. So here, it seems like they got a very solid base to start from. And then the last point, they got a very rock solid, innovation pipeline, especially on premiumization. Relaunching, Stella Artois as a super premium, reinventing the strategy for craft beer, being more local rather than national. And they show us some example of this, or even, expanding further, Michelob Ultra to even more premium trends. Like,
so if I telescope it, it's at premium pays with this company right now. How about, very quick thought, where are they strongest regionally? Is it the U.S., Latin America, elsewhere?
Well, right now it's the U.S. It's Latin America. Sorry, clearly the cash machine of the company is Latin America, starting with Brazil. Now, the U.S. is 25% of revenue, 25% of EBITDA, so it's a key market. But that's, it's a second after Latin America. What is interesting, I would like to add is, you heard about an IPO coming of their Asian business. The company is also trying to rebalance, the business across the world. So here, I don't believe this IPO is, to refinance the debt. It's really more to go after some acquisitions. And actually, in his introduction remarks, Brito, the CEO of ABI, show us the list of the first 10 beer market in the world. And three of them, where they don't do business or they are not number one, China, Japan, and Vietnam were really highlighted. So I think this IPO is to fill the gaps.